Distribution of flagella. Bacterium without any flagellum. Bacterium without any flagellum. Atrichus. Example. Atrichus. Example. All cocci. All spherical shaped bacteria are atrichous. All spherical shaped bacteria are devoid of flagella. So all cocci bacteria are non-motile. A bacterium with one flagellum at one end only. Monotrichous. A bacterium with one flagellum at one pore or one end only. Monotrichous. Example. Xanthomonas. Axanopodis. PVC tree. Pathogenic variety citri. A bacterium with tuft of flagellum at one end only. Tuft of flagellum at one end only, more than two. Lophotrichus. Lophotrichus. Example, Pseudomonas. A bacterium with one or more than one flagella on both poles or both ends. Amphitrichus. Example, Nitrosomonas. A bacterium with flagella all over its surface. Peritrichus. Example, Escherichia coli, E. coli. Distribution of flagellum. Bacteria may or may not consist of flagella. All cocci bacteria are devoid of flagella, so they are atrichous. A bacterium with only one flagellum at one end, monotrichous. Example, Xanthomonas, Axanopodis, pathogenic variety, citri. A bacterium with a tuft of flagellum at one pole or one end only, Lophotrichus. Example, Pseudomonas. And a bacterium with single or tuft of flagella on both poles or both ends, Amphitrichus. Nitrosomonas and flagella if distributed all over the surface of the bacterium, that is Peritrichus. Example, E. coli, Escherichia coli.